what I sort of also like is one way that I can get my head around it. You know tarot. So you've got the cards, but you've got spreads. And the spread is, right, for spread, a card in this position means this is the issue, this is the person, this is the outcome if they follow the negative path, this is the outcome if they follow the positive path. Now, you've got your 52 cards, is it 52 cards? 74 cards.
76.
So whatever card appears in that particular one in the spread means this, okay? So with colour, it's like you define, okay, if a colour appears here, it's representing this. So that's another way to approach it. It's sort of like you've got the cards with their meanings, but you have the spreads. You have the colours that have their meanings, but where they fall, it's defined by you. So it's saying, right, for me, when the colour is seen here, it means this, it means this. And you don't have to stay to that. You can actually sort of like change it around. You can sort of like define the colours to mean different things. You can allow your intuition to define.
You see, if I see red over purple, I would read it as you need to get your feet on the ground so you can lighten up a bit and you could get a bit more spiritual and healing. That's how I would interpret it.
Yeah, but the point is that they're all right, but it depends on the person you're reading for. You see, and what will happen is that when you know your colour words fairly well, because it would, one will pop up, but it's also, that's okay if it's just a single colour or so, but if you have, like Brian said, a choice of, then you will often see a story developing, and then you will suddenly see that of what actually is going on.
I think the useful thing about what you said there is there's no one answer, as long as you've got to an answer by some kind of means
and all the
that is
answers that
explicable.
we gave mean the same sort of thing anyway. It's all like grounding energy. You need all of those things, and it's just how you put it together.
That's right.
How you see the colours.
And the thing is, as long as, say, we came along and you said, oh, that for me means this, and I said to you, why? You say, well, because the red is to do with grounding, and the violet is to do with... That's it. As long as you can say...
I understand what I'm talking about.
As long as you
exactly.
know, that's fine. In other words, you are inventing, but you're being creative with, if you like, with the facts you actually have, with the information that's already been shown.
It's the same as tarot reading, really, isn't it?
There should be, a certain card has a really broad range of meanings. But they should be identifiable to anybody else who knows the structure.
So I just selected from the colours down there a double for what we're doing today. Okay, so that is what we're doing today. So if you already look at that, you've got one above, one below, and just what does the above mean and what does the below mean? And then we'll just compare. Okay, so for me, it's the blue is where we are now, and it's the green trying to break through and come through. So whatever it is that we're trying to birth today to come through is the green breaking through the blue. So Michelle, how would you see it?
See, I would work it that it's the blue is what you're working with to achieve the green.
So already we've got the same thing but different directions. Christine?
I would, it's similar. I'd be saying that the blue is sort of communicating with the kind of green healing opening energy. Do you know what I mean? It's just the same thing, really.
And Lisa, how would you?
I see it as the green coming up, like I think the same as you, really. The green coming up to communicate, sort of green coming up into the blue to sort of communicate out.
Well, I see the blue as healing and the green as balance, so I think that's balance underpinning the healing.
Okay.
Mine was more blue going down into the green energy, the communication of the blue going into the green.
Mine would have been, straightforward, is communicating in order to create confidence and comfort for people, and the two mixed together creates turquoise, which is empowering for everybody. So it's all about empowerment.
Everyone's right.
Yeah.
There's no wrong way of.
There's no wrong
We've
way.
all spoken
we don't really go into
differently.
colours too much.
Nobody
It's just sort of
agreed.
like their position. So. Does that answer the question?
You see, and even with maybe only 2 choice words for each colour, you can still get a gist of how they work together.
Mm.
Anything else on colour?
Because that was like when we were teaching the colour, about a week before, I got all my colour bottles out, and I was like, yeah, I can do this, and I was going through, picking bottles, sorting out. Lily was playing with them, and then about 2 days before the weekend, I sat down and read how they do it in the book that we were teaching. And I thought, oh my God, I don't do it like that. And I've got to learn to do it like that and stand up and show other people how to do it like that in 2 days.
Well, what I really liked was when
Brian
you
was like,
said...
it's okay, don't worry.
What I liked was when you said that, because I read in the book, this is the aura soma way of reading, and you said, oh, Vicky never did it like that.
I know, but it's only Simon and I are prepared to stand up and say that these days.
Yeah. So
Simon and I used to work for Soma, and while Vicky Wall was still alive, side by side with her when she was lecturing, what has become known as now the Aura-Soma technique is not much at all. But there's only, we're probably 2 of the few people that know that and are prepared to say it. And it's ironic is when we're asked to show people how colour works, it's closer, if anything, to the way she used to originally do it than it is now. You know, because she always believed in that once people had the keys, they could do it themselves. They didn't have to read it from a book or have somebody else's idea of what it was, because it would vary depending on the client. So it's no good reading a set bit out of the book because it's going to vary.
And day to day.
From day to day.
Yeah.
And of course nowadays that's not how it's done. And we are talking now, 1980s.
The trouble is that though, nowadays people are just trying to make money out of it, aren't they?
Let's say more really.
Can I just ask Brian, just looking at this, page 15 where it says, how would you introduce colour into a crystal therapy session as an assessment tool? I can understand that. Describe an assessment you have undertaken using a single colour technique. Are we talking for crystals here, or are we talking bottles?
No.
We're talking...
Yeah, the thing is, if you've got a bowl of crystals, and you say to somebody, okay, just pull me a couple of crystals out from that bowl, just put them on the table in front of me, maybe 3, you know, and from that 3, you can already have in your head, the first one they're going to show me is this, the second one is this, and you can actually see where they are in a way that they will take a quarter of an hour to explain to you, because you can see it through colour.
Okay.
And they've chosen, and that's the key, because their bodies know.
That's lovely. It's just that I haven't got a set of bottles, but I'm just saying I assumed it was crystals, but that's okay.
Coloured cushions.
That's fine.
I mean,
okay.
Coloured crystals,
Yeah.
Invent something.
I mean, something that looks incredibly beautiful that you might have at home is one of those boxes with the coloured pencils.
Yes.
Yeah.
Felt tips.
And you just say to somebody, pick me through.
I just painted like some dual colours onto some colour.
Yeah.
I mean, Simon and I don't use colour bottles anymore. I mean, we have got sets, so we've still got some of our originals, so it's still okay. And we just use the little colour gels that you can get from
Well, we talked about those previously, didn't we?
And when we're teaching, we use those because they're easy to do.
Much more transportable as well.
But crystals are fine. I mean, there's a whole raft of things.
One of the ladies that did our colour course, I was one of her case studies, Buffy.
Buffy, yeah.
And she just made up loads of different shapes and coloured felts.
Yes.
Or plastics, cut them all out, and she just got you to choose shapes and colours and sort of build them on top of one another.
Which you can do with the gels. I mean, if you have a sheet of, say, A3 maybe, large enough, and they're all there, and you say, well, we're going to create 4 shapes, right, which is the top for the first shape, which is the bottom, which is the top. And you do it that way.
And it's like you're trying to get your client to talk to you in a way that their body's talking to you and not their intellect.
Yeah.
Because you need to know what's going on underneath. Yeah. And that at that level, that's where colour communicates. It's not an intellectual thing. It's an instinctive thing.
And sometimes doing it that way taps into the inner child, the playfulness.
Yeah.
And of course, if you've got children, that's the best way to do it anyway. You know, if you want to find out what's going on with a child, just say to them, okay, give me the 3 colours that you like today. There you go. No problem. And if any adult takes more than half a second over choosing, then you know that their head's cut in. So you get them to start again.
Okay.
Because they're thinking, oh, what do they expect me to choose?
Yeah, if I choose red, you're going to think this. If I choose that,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
You think,
okay.
no, instinctive. No, let's start again.
And is it a case of, if it's a colour therapist, you blindfold them?
It's probably easier if you blindfold.
How would it be putting your hand into a bag of a bag,
absolutely,
so you can't see?
That's kind of what I do,
because you
can feel my
can't
head
help
coming
it.
in.
Yeah, you do. If you're colour sensitive, you work with colour a lot. I mean, if I was doing it, I'd have to do it that way.
Yeah.
I agree.
Because
Like if I'm choosing a bottle, I do it like that.
Yeah.
And yet I chuckle to myself when I, like when you go say buy clothes or go, and you're thinking, all right, still on that run then. You can see the body goes, oh, I love that colour. You think, oh, we're still going down that road.
Every time really I go into the shop, I walk into the shop and there'll be certain colours, and I'm like, oh, that's nice. Oh God, they're all orange.
Yeah. mine is like going and I'm thinking, and I always find that they're a greeny turquoise. And I'm like, oh God, still on the old turquoise. But it's interesting. But then if you dress in that, people like with you in orange, people often say that that colour really suits you.
Yeah.
So it's like sometimes if you're playing games with stuff, is you know what your colours are.
Yeah.
It's harder for fellas, of course.
How much, anything else to do with colour?
Especially if their mums don't let them wear pink shirts.
Anyway, moving along.